Welcome back to Starfish. Today, we are exploring a fascinating and unique aspect of rural China, the snake village of Zixikiao. Nestled in Zhejiang province, this village has transformed from a quiet farming community into a thriving center for snake breeding and deeply intertwined with traditional medicine and culinary practices. Join us as we delve into the history with economic impact and cultural significance of this intriguing village, and discover how it has adapted to recent challenges. Zixikiao, often referred to as China's snake village, is a unique community in Zhejiang province characterized by its extensive snake farming practices. The village has transformed from a traditional agricultural setting to a center for snake breeding and contributing significantly to the local economy. Today we explore the fascinating aspects of Zixikiao, including its history, the types of snakes bred, the economic impact of snake farming, and cultural significance. Zixikiao village, located in the southeastern part of China's Zhejiang province, has a rich history tied to its agricultural roots. A few decades ago, the villagers primarily relied on farming and fishing for their livelihood. The introduction of snake farming, spearheaded by a local farmer named Yang Hongchang, the village transitioned to rearing snakes, which has significantly altered its economic landscape. Zixikiao is home to over 3 million snakes, including pythons, vipers, and cobras. These snakes are primarily bred for their meat and body parts, which are in high demand for traditional Chinese medicine. The villagers have become adept at breeding techniques, honing their skills over the years to ensure the survival and health of the snakes. The economic transformation of Zixikiao has been remarkable. The once impoverished village now boasts a thriving industry focused on snake farming. Many residents have reportedly achieved annual revenues in the tens of thousands of dollars due to the booming market for snake-related products. This financial success can be attributed to the rising demand for snakes both for edible purposes and in the realm of traditional medicine. Snake bile is recognized in traditional Chinese medicine for its diverse health benefits, particularly in treating respiratory ailments such as whooping cough, chronic bronchitis, and emphysema. By mixing snake bile with various herbs, practitioners aim to enhance its therapeutic effects, making it a popular remedy for alleviating coughs and respiratory distress. This approach emphasizes the holistic perspective of traditional remedies, where combinations are utilized to maximize efficiency. In addition to respiratory health, snake bile is noted for its anti-inflammatory properties. It is frequently applied in treating conditions like gum inflammation, gout, and ailments associated with arthritis. Formulations containing snake bile target the reduction of swelling and pain, which are crucial for managing chronic inflammatory diseases. This application demonstrates the bile's significance in addressing long-term discomfort and health challenges. The benefits of snake bile extend to skin conditions as well. It is employed in the treatment of acne, dermatitis, and other forms of skin irritation, owing to its regenerative qualities. Traditional beliefs hold that snake bile can promote healing and rejuvenation, contributing to its effectiveness in managing chronic skin issues. This use illustrates the historical context of animal products in traditional medicine as agents of recovery and restoration. Snake bile is applied in treating certain neurological conditions, including convulsions and forms of paralysis. Its neurotoxic properties are thought to help alleviate intense muscle contractions, positioning it as a component in treatments for epilepsy and similar disorders. This application underscores the role of snake bile in traditional therapies aimed at muscle control and neurological balance. The snake farming culture in Zixikiao is deeply embedded in local traditions. Snakes are renowned for their supposed medicinal properties in Chinese medicine, often consumed in soups or infused in wines to boost the immune system. The village hosts community events that celebrate the Year of the Snake, where locals express hopes for prosperity through their snake farming endeavors. Despite the economic benefits, snake farming is not without its challenges. The practice poses significant risks, as farmers regularly work with venomous snakes, which can lead to dangerous encounters. There are accounts of serious injuries and even deaths resulting from snake bites, highlighting the inherent dangers of the trade. Zixikiao continues to adapt and evolve, with ongoing research into improving breeding methods and maximizing the yield from snake farming. The village is also witnessing increased interest from international markets, exporting various snake products to countries like Japan, the US, and South Korea. The ongoing demand for snake products suggests a promising future for Zixikiao and its unique cultural heritage. Zixikiao is an exemplary case of how a traditional village can reinvent itself through specialized agriculture, making significant contributions to both the economy and cultural landscape of China. Thank you for joining us on this journey to Zixikiao, the snake village of China. From its rich traditions in snake farming to the economic challenges it currently faces, there's so much more to learn and understand about this unique community. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more interesting insights, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the world's hidden gems.